So now let's look into the most important three axes that DevOps rely on. So the DevOps movement is based on three axes. The first one is the culture of collaboration. This is this is the very essence of DevOps. The fact that teams are no longer separated by silos, specialization. That's like one team of developers, one team of ops, one team of testers, and so on. It's like always these the teams are separated by silos of specialization. So the very essence of DevOps is the fact that the teams are no longer separated by silos of specialization. But on the contrary, these people are brought together by making multidisciplinary teams that we have the same objective to deliver added value to the product as quick as possible. Then processes. So to expect a rapid deployment, these teams must follow development processes from agile methodologies with iterative phases that allow better functionality, quality, and rapid feedback. So these processes should not only be integrated into the development workflow with continuous integration, but also into the deployment workflow with continuous delivery and deployment. So the DevOps process is divided into several phases. The first one is the planning and prioritization of functionalities, and phase 2 development, phase 3 continuous integration and delivery, and phase 4 continuous deployment, and phase 5 is continuous monitoring. So when all phases happens, then basically it makes a collective DevOps process, so which improves the overall efficiency of operations as well as development teams. So then we have tools. The choice of the tools and products used by teams are very important in DevOps. Indeed, when teams were separated into dev and ops, each team used their specific tools, deployment tools for developers and infrastructure tools for ops, which further widened the communication gaps. So, with teams that bring development and operations together, and with this culture of unity, the tools used must be usable usable and exploitable by all members. Developers need to integrate with monitoring tools used by ops teams to detect performance problems as early as possible, and with security tools provided by ops to protect access to various resources. So, in a nutshell, this slide illustrates the three axes of DevOps culture. So the collaboration between dev and ops, the processes, and use of tools. Then So we can go back to DevOps culture with Donovan Brown's definition. So, what he said is DevOps is the union of people, process, and products to enable continuous delivery of value to our end users. So, the benefits of establishing a DevOps culture within an enterprise are as follows. The first benefit is better collaboration and communication in teams, which has a human and social impact within the company. So, shorter lead times to production, resulting in better performance and end user satisfaction. And second, reduced infrastructure costs with IAC, that's infrastructure as code. And third one, significant time saved with iterative cycles that reduce application errors and automation tools that reduce manual tasks. So teams focus more on developing new functionality with added business value.